Hi, my name is Norua Obaseke. I'm here to walk you through this Dart Code Labs with feature flagging UI in Flutter. Now, before we start this project, there are some prerequisites that you need to be aware of. You need to have Flutter installed and the Dart SDK installed in your local machine. Also, you need to have a basic understanding of the Dart programming language. And also, you need to have an Intellitoggle account. You need to register. You need to sign up and access this dashboard. Here, you'll go through some onboarding and learn how to create flags and everything else. So right now, I'm logged into my Intellitoggle dashboard and I've already created a flag. The flag is officially called the new dashboard UI. This brand new dashboard UI is already toggled on and fully active. You can see the default value is already on. So let's now go back to our application. For you to effectively follow along with this particular project, you will definitely need to install some essential dependencies. One of the most important ones is HTTP for HTTP requests, flutter.env for environment variables, and finally provider. Then also you will also need to add these assets to load in your .env. When you successfully register on Intellitoggle, you will then have to meticulously create two clients within this application, right? You will in due course download the necessary auth2 clients. You will also download the tenant ID, the client ID, and the client secrets. Now those secrets, those credentials would be put in this your .env file. So let's get out to the live folder. So go to the live folder. We go to the .env file. You can see this is an Intellitoggle tenant ID. It says a good client secret. It says a Google client ID and the domain, the base URL. So we are loading it from the .env in every file over here. So make sure you have your secret safe and it points to the variable correctly. Then we go over to the API service. Now this API service, we are making direct API calls to the backend. This is the code. This is what we're evaluating feature flags. Also, this is a comprehensive feature flag management service. This is a get Boolean flag. So what we are doing here is passing a crucial key context, and in return, it has successfully returned a comprehensive response here, which is essentially the complete API response. Now let's go to the stores. Now flags ... my show new dashboard key. Now, if we were to go back to the Intellitoggle dashboard and then we navigate to the flag section, we can clearly observe here that my specific key is indeed named New Dashboards UI. Yes, these two instances are in fact supposed to be precisely the same. We get the head over to the designated provider, and this is the feature flag provider, which is a crucial component. Then we note we have two distinct UIs. We have the default UI, which serves as the standard and readily accessible UI, and we have a brand new UI, which is specifically designed to offer enhanced functionalities and a more modern user experience. So then we have the primary main .dart file, which is essentially the crucial entry point for the entire system, which is the entry points over here. So right now the application is currently running smoothly, and we can clearly see from this point, this is the new dashboard, and it is currently enabled because, as you can see over here, it is indeed enabled. So let us now proceed to toggle it off and observe the significant difference. So I've toggled it off, And now let's proceed to go back to the application and then restart it completely. Then you will need to wait for it to fully restart and be ready. It's now restarting. And now it's the default dashboard, in short. So you can go back now and enable it. So let me also press Shift R to restart the application so that you guys can see it. So performing hot restart. It's the same default dashboard, so let's go and enable it back in the dashboard. We go to edit the flag. So we toggle it on, we then update the flag, and now let's go back to our main application. See, now let's go back to and explore the hot refresh. And we start the app, and you can see the new dashboard is enabled. So feature flags are indeed very important because it significantly enables us to roll out new features to our valued customers, both easily and efficiently, all without the necessity of needing to deploy to platforms like Google Play or Apple Play. So this is a comprehensive overview. So I've walked you through how to effectively use a particular feature. It's a small feature flag in your Flutter application. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support.intellitoggle.com.